Hello there. I have been doing a little bit of a tidy up on this 1541-2. I have not done the front, so it still looks, but if you look at the top, and I meant to go right down the middle, but I kind of missed down the middle, you can see on one side, it looks pretty okay, and the other side, it's kind of filthy. Not extraordinarily filthy, but certainly if you had somebody coming to look at something that you were considering selling, they would probably offer you more if the left side was what they saw rather than the right side. And the way a magic eraser works is quite simple. You add water. There's the magic eraser now. You add water, you kind of squeeze it out. You don't want it dripping wet. Then you just rub it over, and when you've got it, like right now, this one here, I will take, excuse me, yeah, a little dirty on that side. I'll take it to the sink, and I'll give it a good rinse, and then I'll come back, and I'll go again. Now, do they last forever? No, they will wear out. But still, they do quite remarkable things. Quite remarkable. Anyway, I have other things to tidy and clean, and I was going to record some other stuff. Somehow my iPad, I don't know how, but the battery was pretty much down to nothing, so I've got it charging. Anyway, magic eraser. There are other versions of this, like generic versions. Probably it's just the same thing. That the Mr. Clean is the brand name, but there are other things that I have tried, both the brand name and the non-brand name, and they seem to work quite well. Now, the front part here is always going to be a little trickier because there's more creases and crevices and things going on, but I will get at it. And as I was handling this drive, I found that there's a noise inside, like something is loose. Or not loose, something, I don't know. It could just be a disc hub ring that's come off it. It doesn't sound like anything terrible, but I am going to open it up and find out what it is. So maybe what I need to do is run a cord so I can have the iPad charging while I record. Anyway, Mr. Clean, magic eraser. Got old equipment that looks nothing will, well, there are things that will help if you are horribly yellowed. But if things just have the dirt and the scunge of time on them, a magic eraser is indeed magic.